Presented by Caltech.
Good evening. So I don't want to interrupt all this good conversation that's going on, but I would like to invite my good friend and colleague, Tom. Actually, that's President Rosenbaum to me. And he's going to say a few words of welcome. And I'll just say that we're very pleased that Tom came here as the president last summer after a very distinguished career at Chicago, and he is the president, but he's also a professor of physics and has had a very distinguished career in that. So along with our theme of research, I noticed he didn't have a poster today, but I think he could have if he wanted to. So, Tom.
Thank you so much, Joe, or Dean Shepard to me. It's really a great pleasure to be here and to welcome you here, to welcome our colleagues from Berkeley and UCLA and Stanford, and most of all, of course, the participants here in the AGEP programs and the workshop. There's this conception of scientists who dress in white coats and go to their laboratories in the sub-basements with no windows, and then every 3 or 4 years come up and get dusted off a bit and a little sunshine and then go back into the laboratory. But of course, the reality is very different. I mean, science is this enormously convivial enterprise. It is a time, particularly now at your stages of career, where you can think about great problems to almost the exclusion of all other activities. You interact with lots of other people, a lot of teamwork here. If you're running a lab, and when you're running a lab or a theory group, you're paying students, paying postdocs, dealing with suppliers. So you're running a small business, and you get all the aspects then of dealing with a broad spectrum of people. And it is a remarkably attractive social experience where you also get to think great thoughts and to ponder ways to contribute to the creation of knowledge for the long term, but also to using your insights to solve society's problems in the short term. Of course, too often and for too long, those white lab coats have been filled with white males. And one of the aspects that's particularly important for us at Caltech, but for the scientific community as a whole, is the fact that we're in the people and talent business. And a priori, if we are not attractive, and if we are not attracting people from all backgrounds, from all perspectives, from all experiences, we will not be attracting the best people. And we crucially depend on getting the most creative, original people here to solve those problems, to advance the scientific effort, and to solve the problems that confront our fellow human beings. And I'm extremely excited about this program and what it does that way, from the narrow sense, of course, of the 4 postdocs who are coming here under the auspices of this program. And we're delighted that way. As much as we enjoy our colleagues, we also like sometimes to win competitions in terms of talent. But of course, it is a much bigger problem. And it is, in fact, the collegiality of being able to welcome all of you, to working with other educational institutions to advance this cause, and to be able to move forward with your help and your contributions that we're enormously grateful for. So we're extremely happy to see you here tonight, to have you here for this workshop with this interesting discussions, and to introduce you to Caltech. And we hope that you will be thinking of us in many ways through your career. And I will look forward to those intersections as they go on. And let me not stand in the way of your salad any farther. So thank you very much.